So jab, jab, jab and right hook. That is a book written by Gary Vaynerchuk, and it's the basis of inbound marketing. That is basically give, give, give and then ask. In other words, you give value first and then you ask for the sale. Now, there is a more deeper meaning behind that than simply the jab, 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 right hook. In fact, it's something that is called a psychological trigger. Now, if you guys didn't watch the last video that I did, I talked about a psychological trigger that is authority. That is one of the most powerful out there. However, reciprocity is the most powerful psychological trigger, in my opinion, because reciprocity we are born with. We are born with trying to do something good for someone that does something good for us. In fact, in the times of the cavemen, if someone saved their lives, they would fight to save that person's lives as well. There is a really cool case study that I read the other day, and I'm going to be linking that down below if you guys want to have a deeper reading on that. And basically the case study is about a guy that was trying to sell lottery tickets, and what he would do is he would go outside and grab a Coca-Cola for him, and then he would get inside and talk to his co-workers and tell them that, hey, I know it's hot and I asked someone to grab this Coca-Cola for me, but then I was thinking about you and I got you one as well. And he would give that Coca-Cola to that person. And at the end of that day, he would ask that person to buy the lottery ticket from him, because if that person buys the lottery ticket, he will get a bonus, right? What happened is, most people, or better, the people that he gave the Coca-Cola, they bought like 2 times more from him than the ones that he didn't give the Coca-Cola. Now, you have a lot of case studies about reciprocity out there, and basically you need to learn how you can use reciprocity when you're trying to sell something either online or offline, because it's really powerful, and in my opinion is like definitely one of my favorites psychological triggers. And it's so powerful that Gary Vaynerchuk did an entire book just talking about that, just talking about the jab, jab, jab and right hook, that at the end of the day is basically the basis of inbound marketing and the basics of a psychological trigger that is reciprocity. And that's basically it for today's video. There is always some more like of a deeper meaning of something than we expect, and our brains are just really powerful tools, and if you know how to use them or to trick them, in other words, then your process of selling is much easier. Now imagine combining the two. Imagine combining authority and reciprocity. And once again, don't just listen to what I'm telling you. Instead, start doing what I'm doing, because now you have an information about something that you probably didn't know, or you did, I don't know, but I'm also creating authority at the same time. So 2 psychological triggers in a single video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm sure that you know that in England people drive on the other side of the road. At least